In the Jharsuguda industrial city of modern Odisha, many ancient temples are in dilapidated condition in the Hirakud reservoir. One of them is the Padmasini temple located near the Pujari Pali, whose art and architecture is distinct from others. In the past, the current district of Raipur, Bilaspur, and Sambalpur and Jharsuguda in Chhattisgarh and Odisha were the southern parts of the coastal kingdom. Some villages of Uneskhond Mauja in Lakhanpur block under the Jharsuguda district in Odisha were under the Padampur Jamindari. In the Padampur area on the bank of the Mahanadi in the 8th century, Padmasena, a king of the Kandra and Mahar caste, ruled the kingdom by establishing the capital here. Goddess Padmasini was worshipped as the presiding deity of the king. The temple was later built in the Padampur to worship the goddess. An in-depth study of the construction technique and art of the goddess Padmasini temple, which worshipped in the ancient city of Padampur, reveals that, like other goddess temple, the Sri Padmasini temple faces east with the Mahanadi river flowing in its south direction. Owing to the demolition of the major part of the ancient temple, the temple was probably rebuilt in the 16th century during the reign of Chauhan dynasty of the Sambalpur kingdom. This is because its construction is consistent with the shape of the temple built in the period of the Chauhan dynasty kings. The temple will be about 22 feet in height now that the oak tree branches have sprung up at the top of the dilapidated temple. The risk of demolition of the temple is increasing gradually. The sanctum sanctorum of this temple is 10 into 15 feet. The sanctuary between the Jagmohan and the sanctum sanctorum is 30 into 8 feet. The Jagmohan part of the temple was built during the construction of the original temple, which has a size of about 30 into 30 feet. A total of 14 pillars, 12 feet in height, have been erected. Two stone inscriptions have been found on the wall of the temple, but they have not been deciphered. The idols of the Sri Padmasini temple have been relocated to the Pujari Pali and Bhikompali village due to the construction of the Hirakud reservoir. The idol is now worshipped in the newly built temple in the village. However, when researching the construction technique and art of the Padmasini temple, it is clear from the observation of Jagmohan part that rectangular Jagmohan consisting of stone has a total of 14 pillars in 3 directions and a small wall class of triangular stone pieces carved on the 3 sides has been built on the roof. Similarly, the construction style of the embroidery above and below stone pillar on the 3 sides of the Jagmohan maintain a striking resemblance to the architecture and art of the Chalukya dynasty king of the southern kingdom. Not only goddess Padmasini stone sculpture art but also intricate painting craft on the door of the temple reflect the sculpture art of the Chalukya dynasty. Examining the structure of the stone statue reveals that it is a statue of Dasabhuja Durga, which has a striking hairstyle on its head. The temple was built in the 7th century by the king of Chalukya dynasty. Padampur city, including the Padmasini temple, worshipped goddess on the bank of the river Mahanadi, were submerged in the reservoir in 1956, result of the Hirakud Dam project by the Odisha government. Even though the city of Padampur was wrecked, the temple still exists within the occupied territories of the present-day reservoir. It is possible to approach the old temple after the water level in Hirakud reservoir drops in summer.